Hello students, once again we are here with our chapter number and their operations, and today we are going to discuss about forming of numbers. So forming of numbers in two ways, with the repetition of digits and without repetition of digits. If we have been given some digits and we have to form small numbers or large numbers using those digits, then how we can do that without repeating them and with the repetition of digits, that we are going to discuss today. Okay, so first we come here with forming number without repetition of the given digits. In this case, to form the greatest and smallest numbers by using the given digits, we arrange the given digits in descending on and ascending order respectively. Okay, so for example, to write the greatest and smallest number using the digits, we have been given some digits over here. Without repetition, we have to write the greatest and smallest number. So what we will do, for smallest number we have written the digits in ascending order, and for greatest number we have written the digits in descending order. Okay, so this pattern is always followed when we need not to repeat the digits. Then always write the digit in ascending order to get a smallest number and descending order to get a greatest number out of the given digits. Okay, then we are having some more examples over here. Here you can see I have drawn a pattern which indicates the smallest number in ascending order. For greatest number we move to descending order. As you can see the steps 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And for greatest number using these digits 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it is again a simple way to understand how to make a smallest and greatest number using the given digits. So we have taken a series of numbers, okay, continuous series 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can easily understand that we have written in ascending order, and same way 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So it is a descending order which give us the greatest number out of the given digits. Okay, so from the above figure we can form greatest number as 98,65,432 and smallest number as 23,45,689. Okay, then we are having forming numbers with repetition of the given digits. So if we have been allowed for repeating the digits from the given digits, in this case to form the greatest and smallest numbers, we select the greatest and smallest digits from the given digits and then repeat these digits to form the numbers. As for example, we can see if we have been given these 6 digits and we have to form the greatest and smallest 8 digit number out of it. So digits we have been given 6 only and we have to form a 8 digit number. So we need to repeat a particular number 2 times or 3 times. So for greatest number we need to repeat the greatest one, that is 9 is the greatest digit. So we have repeated 9 3 times and then rest of the digits. For smallest number we need to repeat the smallest number. So smallest number is 2. So we repeat 2. We have repeated 2 3 times and then other digits we have placed over here. So in this way we can form the number according to the requirement number of digits by repeating the greatest and smallest digits as many times as required. Okay, then we are having, so while forming the smallest number, if there is 0 in the given digits, so for smallest number if we have been given some digits and there exists a 0 over there, then what we need to do, then start the number with the digit which is coming just after the 0 in the given digits and put 0 next to it and then number other numbers. So we have been given some digits over here. So by arranging digits in ascending order we get, so here we have arranged them in ascending, but here 0 is not giving any value. So we can write it as 1, after 0 we are having 1. So 1 will be taken first, then 0 and then other number in ascending order. Now it has a valuable number. One more example I have taken over here. Write the greatest and smallest 8-digit number using the digits. We have been given some digits over here. 4 digits are there, and we have to form 8-digit numbers, smallest and greatest. So, as we have seen here, for a 5-digit number, 5, 6 and 8-digit number, we have to perform greatest and smallest 5, 6 and 8 digit. So for 5-digit greatest number, we have repeated the greatest number, that is 8. So among 7, 1, 3, 8, 8 is greatest, so we have repeated 8 2 times, then 7, 3, 1. And same way for smallest, we have repeated 1 twice. For 6-digit number, greatest number, we repeated 8 3 times, and for smallest, we repeated 1 3 times. For 7-digit, we have repeated 8 4 times and 1 4 times. Okay, so in this way we can manage to write number of greatest and smallest numbers as per the requirement of digits by repeating the greatest or smallest numbers. Okay.